Are you hungry or are you just eating out of habit? I speak to people every day who tell me that it's hard to make changes with their food because hunger is something they feel all the time. Here's the thing though, some hunger is habit-based. Let me explain. When you eat while you're watching TV, when you eat in bed, when you eat while you're stressed and or you're sad, when you eat out with friends, you are reinforcing food and connecting it to an emotion, to a place, and to a habit. That means when you end up eating anytime or you end up being hungry anytime, one of those things happen. Most of my clients start off with habit-based hunger, but they start to learn their hunger and fullness cues so they learn what real hunger is. Real hunger doesn't go away while drinking water. Real hunger doesn't go away by walking away from the fridge or stepping away from the couch. It stays with you. This is one of the many tools that I work with my clients on. And with tools like this, they can lose the 10 to 20 pounds and beyond and keep it off while eating the foods they love. What the hell are you waiting for? DM me the word hunger and I'll share how I can help you understand your hunger cues, master your cravings, rebuild your relationship with food, shed 10 to 20 pounds and beyond, and maintain your results while enjoying the foods you love.